Hello, my name is Edward C. James. I'm a student at Dakota State University, and here I'm presenting the second exploit on Infa 725. After I've tested everything and everything has gone through, I was able to process the call remotely from my Metasploit computer. So now I'm going to present my payload here. Basically what I'm going to be doing is, let me see, I'll show the payloads that I have available. MSF payload, L, and I'm gonna show the one that I'm gonna choose in a second. Let's see, I'm just waiting for it to load up. Alright, so see, I'll probably go a little too far. Let's see. Let me look for it. Okay, it's a really simple one, but it's still a payload. Adding a user, basically. That's what my goal is gonna be in this one. So let's see what the payload is. Okay, so I go to MSF payload, Windows, just to display that that it can be done. Add user C, and it'll display not just the code but also the amount of bytes, 287. So I got plenty of room to maneuver with this one, and I'm gonna create a file. MSF payload, Windows, add user R. I'm gonna call it, I already have one, but I'm gonna create one just for demonstration. It took me a while to figure this one out, so I'm not gonna screw it up. So I'll create a secondary file, which is this right here. This is the original that I created and tested. So what I'll do now is I'll encode it, MSF encode -I, and then the name of the file, edit payload, to remove the bad characters, which in this case are the 0 characters. That's what I don't want in there. And then I simply do -E x86 Shikata I. That's what it is. Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah. So I hit enter, and it'll give me this is the code that I need. So basically the code, I pasted it in, I copied in here on a notepad, and I used the did the search, replace, and remove everything that had an X. Then after that I opened my simple fuzzer right over here and pasted it in here. And right before I run it, I'm gonna show that I only have 2 accounts, administrator and guest. So I close it, lower this one. I have loaded it up and now started it, so I start it, and then I do the magic here, Python simple fuzzer. Oops, yeah, I'll put that in there. Okay, so it's done. I need terminated. So go back to the control panel, user accounts, and sure enough, here's my other account. It's called Metasploit, and the password is Metasploit as well. So here I have it. It does work. I utilize that payload, and it worked perfectly fine. So this has been my quick presentation on this one, and I don't think it was 5 minutes, but I demonstrated that it works. So that should be good enough, right, Pat? Thank you again for watching and for all your help. Honestly, I could not get, based on the book, I could not even get to the beginning of understanding this, but this video that you have created has made it really clear of how things should work. And I utilized a payload. It worked like magic. So thank you so much for the help. Thanks to you, I'm gonna get pretty far. Have a good day.